ठीक ठाक, ऑल गुड, ऑल गुड। क्या कर रहे थे? What were you up to? What were you up to? कुछ खास नहीं, बस यूं ही। Nothing special, just like that. Nothing special, just like that. आज घर पे ही हो? At home today? At home today? सब कैसे चल रहा है? How is everything going? How is everything going? बच्चे कहाँ हैं आज? Where are the kids today? Where are the kids today? कोई नई बात? Any new updates? Any new updates? मार्केट जा रहे हो क्या? Are you going to the market? Are you going to the market? कल कहाँ गायब थे? Where were you yesterday? Where were you yesterday? क्या हाल चाल है बच्चों के? How are the kids doing? How are the kids doing? कुछ मंगाना है तो बताना. Let me know if you need anything. Let me know if you need anything. घर का काम खत्म कर लिया? Done with the household work. Done with the household work. आज बड़ी जल्दी उठ गए? Up early today. Up early today. यहाँ पास में कोई नई दुकान खुली है क्या? Is there a new shop nearby? Is there a new shop nearby? चाय या कॉफी में से क्या लोगे? Tea or coffee? What will you have? Tea or coffee? What will you have? किसके साथ निकले हो? Who are you out with? Who are you out with? कभी कभी गपशप भी कर लिया करो. Do drop by for a chat sometimes. Do drop by for a chat sometimes. बच्चों को पढ़ाई करवा रहे हो क्या? Are you helping the kids with studies? Are you helping the kids with studies? बाहर मौसम कितना अच्छा है. The weather is so nice outside. The weather is so nice outside. आपको देखकर अच्छा लगा. Good to see you. Good to see you. आपका दिन कैसा रहा? How was your day? How was your day? आपके घर से अच्छी खुशबू आ रही है. Your house smells nice. Your house smells nice. थोड़ा टाइम निकाल कर मिलते हैं. Let's catch up sometime. Let's catch up sometime. बाहर गार्डन में घूमने चले? Shall we take a walk in the garden? Shall we take a walk in the garden? खाना खा लिया आपने? Have you eaten? Have you eaten? कोई नई मूवी देखी क्या? Watched any new movie? Watched any new movie? पास में कुछ नया हो रहा है क्या? Anything new happening nearby? Anything new happening nearby? आपको कोई परेशानी हो तो बताना. Let me know if you have any issues. Let me know if you have any issues. कल मिलते हैं फिर. See you tomorrow then. See you tomorrow then. कैसे आना हुआ? What brings you here? What brings you here? बच्चों की शैतानी कम हुई या अभी भी जारी है? Are the kids still mischievous? Are the kids still mischievous? मार्केट से कुछ चाहिए क्या? Need anything from the market? Need anything from the market? आज बड़े बिजी लग रहे हो। You look busy today. You look busy today. आपका डॉग तो बहुत क्यूट है। Your dog is so cute. Your dog is so cute. कोई खास खबर? Any special news? Any special news? बस घर पे आराम कर रहे हो। Just chilling at home. Just chilling at home. लाइट गई थी क्या आपके यहाँ भी? Was the power out at your place too? Was the power out at your place too? कभी कभी गपशप करने आओ ना। Come over for a chat sometime. Come over for a chat sometime. कुछ नया पकाया आज? Cooked anything new today? Cooked anything new today? आपका वाईफाई ठीक चल रहा है? Is your Wi-Fi working fine? Is your Wi-Fi working fine? आपको पता है कौन आया था आज? Guess who came over today? Guess who came over today? बारिश का मजा लिया आपने? Did you enjoy the rain? Did you enjoy the rain? आज खाने में क्या बना? What's for dinner today? What's for dinner today? बाल कटवाए हैं क्या? Got a haircut. Got a haircut. ये चीज कहाँ से ली आपने? Where did you get this? Where did you get this? आप तो मस्त फिट लग रहे हो। You are looking super fit. You are looking super fit. सब्जी मंडी से कुछ लाना है? Need anything from the veggie market? Need anything from the veggie market? बस यूं ही टहलते हुए मिल गए। Just bump into you while strolling. Just bump into you while strolling. बाहर चाय समोसे का प्लान बनाएं। Should we plan tea and snacks outside? Should we plan tea and snacks outside? आप हर सुबह रनिंग करते हो क्या? Do you go for a run every morning? Do you go for a run every morning? आपके बच्चे तो बहुत बड़े हो गए। Your kids have grown up so much. Your kids have grown up so much. कभी बच्चों को पार्क में लेकर आओ। Bring the kids to the park sometime. Bring the kids to the park sometime. ये सामान कहाँ से खरीदा? Where did you buy this? Where did you buy this? अब तो मिलते ही नहीं हो। Don't see you much these days. Don't see you much these days. कहाँ गायब रहते हो? Where do you disappear to? Where do you disappear to? कुछ नया सुना? Heard something new? Heard something new? आज जल्दी उठ गए? Up early today? Up early today? बस यूं ही टहल रहे थे। Just out for a stroll. Just out for a stroll. कोई प्लान बना रहे हो क्या? Planning something? Planning something? कुछ काम था क्या? Did you need anything? Did you need anything? तुम तो फ्री ही रहते हो। You are always free. You are always free. ठंड बहुत है ना आज? It's so cold today, isn't it? It's so cold today, isn't it? आज अकेले दिख रहे हो। You are alone today. You are alone today. बाहर चलोगे चाय पीने। Wanna go out for tea? Wanna go out for tea? आज काफी दिन बाद दिखे। Haven't seen you in a while. Haven't seen you in a while. कहाँ की तैयारी चल रही है? What's the preparation for? What's the preparation for? आज कोई स्पेशल बात है क्या? Is there something special today? Is there something special today? घर पे सब कैसे है? How is everyone at home? How is everyone at home? सब सेट है ना? All set right? All set right? बस ऐसे ही घूमने निकले थे। Just out for a random walk. Just out for a random walk. आज काम से छुट्टी। Off from work today. Off from work today. कब मिलोगे फिर से? When will we meet again? When will we meet again? कोई मदद चाहिए तो बोलना। Let me know if you need any help. Let me know if you need any help. खाना वाना बना लिया। Got the cooking done. Got the cooking done. सब बढ़िया। Everything good. Everything good. क्या हाल है? How is it going? How is it going? आप कहाँ जा रहे थे? Where were you going? Where were you going? मिलते नहीं हो आजकल। Haven't seen you lately. Haven't seen you lately. चाय पीने आना कभी। Drop by for tea sometime. Drop by for tea sometime. बच्चों का क्या हाल है? How are the kids? How are the kids? सब ठीक चल रहा है ना? Everything okay, right? Everything okay, right? कभी बाहर घूमने चलते हैं। Let's go out sometime. Let's go out sometime. आज बड़ा सन्नाटा है। It's so quiet today. It's so quiet today. नए किराएदार कैसे हैं? How are the new tenants? How are the new tenants? आपको कॉल करूं? Should I give you a call? Should I give you a call? अभी अभी वापस आए। Just got back. Just got back. यहाँ से सामान लेते हो। You get stuff from here. You get stuff from here. कभी बैठते हैं साथ में। Let's sit together sometime. Let's sit together sometime. मार्केट साथ चलोगे? Want to go to the market together? Want to go to the market together? बाहर घूम रहे थे क्या? Were you out for a stroll? Were you out for a stroll? देखा तुम्हें कल मार्केट में। Saw you at the market yesterday. Saw you at the market yesterday. मिलते हैं फिर। Catch you later. Catch you later.